it is time to make model number 12. Let's get started. Model number 12. Start our sketch. Choose the plane. We're gonna do a rectangle, I reckon. It's the way to go. We have a circle, like so. The middle of it is, oh shit, pardon my French. To wind your way. We can trim the axis. The radius of it is 10. The whole thing is 60. We do not have the upper dimension, but let's do a wild guess. Let's say like 35. 35. Can I input that? Thank you. All right. We got a little dink right here. It's 50 here. And 50 here. Height is, well, let's trim it first. Oops. Exit out of the operation. The height is free. And here we have 12. And between these points we have 11. Our sketch is partially defined. We need the height. Let's say 25. We can move it right here because our drawing is not complete. Doesn't really matter. We can move forward. The sketch is defined. We can extrude it. We do not have the amount, but let's say just 40, I guess. We can do whatever we want. It's our drawing, our model. And we got 2 edge blends with a value of 5. So let's add them real quick. One here, one here. Value of 5. Apply. And we can hide the datum and sketch. And the model is done.